6 AM, 31st of March 2001, outside the French bakery in Linmore. Lois and Bob Wadsworth are taking me fishing off Whakatane. It's a beautiful, calm day, ideal conditions, and we are hopeful to get a good catch.
Hi. How are you doing?
Getting enough fuel and checking the boat is of most importance.
Bob is checking the boat. Make sure the bung is in.
Before long the boat is launched, we are setting across the bar, and within half an hour we are starting to fish.
We're about 5 miles out of Whakatane. Bob and Lois are getting the bite ready, and we should be in business before long. That's it. Well, it's all on at the moment. Here. Huh? Oh, we'll do better. We've got something big on the line here. Okay, that's all exciting stuff here. Bob just caught the shark. What is it, a Mako?
A little Mako.
A little Mako.
Yeah, like, can you cut? Come on, happy.
Bob was just lucky. Jesus Christ. Look at this. What size would that be?
10 pounds.
They don't come much nicer, do they? Yeah. I haven't done too bad. But we're actually catching some fish. And it looks as if Lois is having another one on. That's a lovely fish there. Not a big one. And here's George and Lois enjoying their lunch on the boat. Out by beautiful Whale Island in the background. And here's George picking his nose. And we're looking over here towards, there's our Kerry, then Whakatane, and down to our Hopi. Beautiful day. We're just going to get the boat turned around and do a little bit of drift fishing.